In a court filing this week, the United States Department of Justice argued to Judge Cannon, the woman overseeing Donald Trump's documents case, I guess we'll call it. But the DOJ submitted a filing saying that the delay caused by this whole special master debacle is causing irreparable harm, not just to the investigation, but possibly to national security itself. So let me read you what was in this filing. Markings on the documents signify that their unauthorized disclosure reasonably could be expected to result in damage to the national security, including exceptionally grave damage. Then they added, of course, that the delay in them being able to even go through them, the delays caused by this special master, are causing irreparable harm. That is the phrase they use, irreparable harm. And then they continued. Plaintiff has characterized the government's criminal investigation as a, quote, document storage dispute or an, quote, overdue library book scenario. In doing so, plaintiff has not addressed the potential harms that could result from mishandling classified information or the strict requirements imposed by law for handling such materials. So what the DOJ is trying to say is, Judge, you either got to throw out this special master ruling, which is total BS to begin with, or you at least have to let us continue to go through the documents as we wait on the special master to get set up. Because as we do know, right, the special master has been approved by the court. Right? It's like an 80-plus-year-old former judge appointed by Ronald Reagan. So we got this 80-year-old man that's going to be slowly going through documents, and the DOJ is like, we can't have this because we have to go through them to know what we have, but more importantly, we have to know what we don't have. Right? We have to know if any of these documents were shared with anybody else on this planet. We have to know if our national security is compromised, and considering that there's some nuclear documents in here, it's probably best that we find that out sooner rather than later. We have to make sure that none of our allies' secrets have been leaked to their enemies. And I'm sure they would also like us to do that sooner rather than later. That's what the DOJ is trying to argue here with Judge Cannon. Now, given the rulings we have seen from Judge Cannon so far, she's probably not going to side with the DOJ. It's the whole reason they went to her to begin with. That's the reason they've tried to get other cases in front of Judge Cannon. Because they know that she's not good at what she does, and she'll just side with whatever Donald Trump wants her to do. That's what's happening here. But the DOJ is absolutely right. We have no idea what kind of damage has been caused by Donald Trump having these documents. We have no idea whose eyeballs have been on them. We have no idea why Donald Trump even had them there in the first place. And those are answers that we will not get until the DOJ is allowed to actually go through those documents and give us those answers.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.